from the rising sun to the islands of the sea. One blood, one heritage, one destiny. Children of Africa, lift your voices, the drum still remembers. Morning break upon the ancient land, hope is growing in the people's hand. From the mountain to the flowing stream, every child is born to dream.
Golden sunrise paint the sky,
Ancestors watch from places high,
their footsteps echo through the years,
turning trials into strength, not tears. The drums still call our us to play, healing every hidden pain. The roots run deep beneath the soil, blessing every honest toil. Stand together,
side by side.
let your heritage be your guide. Though the road may twist and bend, love shall triumph in the end.
Children of Africa,
Lift your voices high,
like the eagle rising proudly, touching every children of Africa,
walking hand in hand.
building hope for every nation, peace across the land.
From Jamaica's shores, the heartbeat flows to every place the river goes. The drum and bass tell history, bound together across the sea. No distance can divide the soul. Faith and faith and love make people whole. The lion's courage lives within. Every journey shall begin. Plant the seed and guard the flame. Every child deserves a name. Teach the truth from age to age, written on the living page. One people,
One heartbeat, one tomorrow,
no war,
no borders,
only brothers.
only sisters.
Lift the banner, raise it high, let the songs never die. Hands together, build a way for the children of today. May they walk with humble grace, leaving light in every place. When the trumpet fills the air, every heart become a prayer. Hope is stronger than despair. Love is growing everywhere. Let the rivers always flow, teaching every seed to grow. May the harvest never cease, filled with justice, joy and peace.
Joy and peace. Oh. Children of Africa, children of Africa, children of Africa, children of Africa, children of Africa,
Rise with dignity
children of Africa,
for eternity.
children of Africa.
for generations to come.